In a distant kingdom lived a king. He once loved a queen but was betrayed. From that day on, he married a girl each night only, to end her life at dawn. Fear shrouded the kingdom. Mothers hid their daughters. Then came Scheherazade, the vizier's daughter, who stepped forward bravely. On her wedding night, she began to tell one magical story after another. As dawn approached, she whispered, "Tomorrow night, I shall continue." The king hesitated. He wanted to hear more. Each night, her stories enchanted him more. His once frozen heart began to melt. After 1001 nights, the king forgave and loved her deeply.